Good afternoon and welcome back to Give Me Some Oven, our home comfort food cooking channel. Today I want to talk about juicing. As you can see here, I have a nice little display for you of fresh fruits and vegetables, organic, always organic. Uh, Before I start, I want to put a small disclaimer out there. First one is before starting any juicing program, always consult your doctor because some fruits and vegetables can inhibit medications from working for like thyroid disease and other things. You talk to your doctor. I'm not a doctor, so but definitely talk to your doctor before starting a juicing program for your health. Um, I also want to make a small disclaimer: is I will be looking at my notes as I'm speaking to you because I've not yet found that perfect combination to remember everything. So until then, I'll have to use my notes, and I apologize for that. But you'll understand why, and I do want to go over all the stuff with you to make sure that you can come up to a good logical conclusion whether juicing's for you or not. So if you like this channel and you like the juice, and we have some delicious recipes we're going to be going over. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the little bell notification with the always so that anytime we put out a new video, boom, you're on top of it. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go over my notes. All right, so juicing is a very popular trend that's going on in the world right now with all the health scares and things that's going on out there that's not good for humankind. So, uh, but the benefits of juicing will greatly diminish a lot of these things that are going on if you keep a good regimen of juice and vegetables. So, what is juicing? Well, juicing is simply taking, like I said, fresh, organic, if possible, fruits and vegetables, passing it through a machine where it's either pressed or squeezed out, the juice is pressed or squeezed out, and the pulp is discharged into a separate container. And the juice is the part you partake in, and the pulp you can, well, we use it for our worm farm. We have a worm farm, and the pulp and the worms love the pulp. So none of this stuff goes to waste in this house. So you may have a compost bin or something in your that's great. So you don't have to throw anything away. Everything is beneficial. um, go over the thing. Always consult your doctor, like I said. uh, so the why do we juice? There's numerous scientific studies, and I'm not a doctor and I'm not a scientist. I've got all this information on the internet just like you guys can do, but there is studies that show that diets rich in fruits and vegetables can greatly reduce risks of a lot of illnesses like uh, cancer, big one, right? uh, Diabetes, if done properly, weight loss, big, and heart disease. Heart disease is another big one. So there's many benefits in juicing. Also, with juicing, you can save a lot of money. I'm just going to say a lot of money in from having to buy vitamins and supplements at this little tiny pill that somehow or another miraculously puts all these nutrients and enzymes and things in you, whatever, right? I have my opinions on that. I'll leave that alone too. But here's my vitamins right here. Um, then you have bottled juices that you can buy at the store. You can say, well, I can just go to the store and buy it. I don't have to do all this mess. Well, yes, but here's the problem with the bottled juices, in my opinion, first of all, they're FDA regulated. So the FDA requires juices to be pasteurized, heated. And when you do that, it kills the enzymes. and it kills a lot of nutrients. Anytime you heat fruits and vegetables, you may not wipe out all the nutrients, but you wipe out quite a bit of them that you're, as if opposed to you just drinking a raw squeezed juice or vegetable. So, um, the enzymes in fruits and vegetables that are squeezed, that's where your metabolism works, right? The enzymes go to help with your metabolism, so that's where the weight loss comes in. And when you squeeze the fruits and vegetables, it it helps with your metabolism and with your digestive tract, as opposed to eating a raw fruit or vegetable. Like, for example, if you've ever eaten a big meal and then you feel really, really sluggish afterwards, because we as humans, I know I'm guilty of it, when we chew very minimal and we swallow it. So your body's having to work super, super hard to get that digested. And your metabolism slows way down and you get tired, you go take a nap, and you wake up and your belly is about another inch bigger. Mine is. So that's why the juicing is more beneficial than eating raw fruits and vegetables or raw anything, because it just, I let this do the digestive part. All I'm ingesting is strictly nutrients. Okay, that's all I need in my body. I don't need my teeth work fine. That's fine, whatever. But I would rather this guy work out. He works a lot better than my teeth do. So, uh, also in the bottles of juices, besides them heating up and destroying the enzymes, they also have to put food colorings in and sweeteners and stuff like that. And that's you don't need that stuff. This is all natural sweets, all natural additives, all natural enzymes. You don't need any artificial stuff being put into your body. Uh, there is some inherent dangers to juicing. Like I said before, this is why you got to consult a doctor. In that, like certain medications for like thyroid disease and stuff like that, there's certain fruits and vegetables that you can't take with that, because it'll harm you more than it'll help you. So, like, again, I tell you, go talk to your doctor before you start this stuff. Um, so cooking, they say, well, I can cook these vegetables. I can cook these so they're easier to chew. Well, yes, you can cook them, but again, the heating process kills off enzymes and it kills off nutrients. Not all of them, supposedly. I think, I don't know, my opinion again, but supposedly not all enzymes and nutrients are killed off, but I think a lot of them are. And you can tell that a lot of times when you boil a vegetable or whatever, and you see the water that you use to boil turn a different color. Well, that's your stuff going down the drain. So again, I think juicing is far superior and helping with your health benefits than cooking them or eating them raw and stuff, because your body just cannot absorb. Your body cannot break down fruits and vegetables raw that you chew as it can using a machine. There's a there's certain abundance of A, B, and E vitamins that are and minerals like iron and potassium that help manage diabetes. There's vitamin B7, which is very superior to your body, like mangoes and nectarines and peaches that aid in digesting and for your belly, right? Um, now, juice machines. There's several different kinds of juice machines out in the market. There's cheap ones, there's expensive ones, there's horizontal ones, there's like this one, vertical ones. There's uh, fast speed ones, there's slow speed ones, there's many, many, many different ones out there. Uh, I will just say that with the research I've done, I've looked at some of the horizontal ones. I've looked at certain brands, the ones that's super fast when they do it, and these slow ones. This one happens to be a slow cold press, horizontal um, machine. So what I found out again, as I said before, about the heating process, when you put a fruit or vegetable in one that spins like super fast, like, oh, let's see, 1,200 RPMs or something, or whatever, right? Oh, okay, what is this, a car? No, it's not a car. This is your health, right? So, anyways, when you put the fruit and vegetable in there at 1,200 RPMs, you want a turbocharger, okay, what that does is create friction, and friction creates heat, and heat destroys nutrients and enzymes. So here goes my opinion again, not based on anything but some research, but slow cold press juicers do not create that friction. They do it slowly, and they do not create friction. They do not create heat, and they press it out very nicely. And I'm going to have some videos out. I'm going to put some videos out targeting specific things in your body. So I'll have different videos at different times. That's again why you should hit that like and subscribe button so you catch those videos as soon as they come out. But I'm going to show you exactly how this machine works, and you'll see as it goes. It's kind of like the body. You stick food in your mouth, go down through your teeth chews it up, right? And then it gets down to your digestive tract, and some of it goes to the waste, right? And some of it goes to what you need to ingest. So the waste part of it, this machine, I know I can't speak on all, but this machine that I have puts out a nice, not dry, but all the juices are pressed out of it. I mean, this does a pretty good job. So, like I said, there's different brands. I like this brand. I'm not going to endorse this brand because I don't have an affiliate with them, but I'll tell you that this one here is a good brand. So it was worth its money. Uh, and like I said, I will be putting out some more videos in the very, very near future. If you would like to say, hey, can we do videos on, a celery cleanse, or can we concentrate on artery cleaning? I'll be going through all of them, but if you have something specific a video specifically you want me to go over, I'll do that. But like I said, I'm going to be putting out videos. And when I do the juicing, I'm going to say, like, for like instance, the pineapple, what the pineapple does as far as the nutrients do, what the avocado does, uh, the must. I will tell you, the must in every single one of your fruit juices needs to be this little guy right here, this little turmeric. This stuff is a miracle, miracle, miracle drug. It's not a drug, okay? It's a root. But you look up anywhere on the internet about turmeric and ginger, okay? You'll find the benefits that those two have are just phenomenal, phenomenal for your health. So again, I'm gonna have some videos coming out very, very soon. And I need you guys to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. And please leave me any comments. You can tell me how sucky I did on this video. I get it. I get it. I'm starting new. I'm a newbie at the YouTube world. So we're trying, and my better half and me will be putting out, like I said, a lot of cooking videos. So please, please pay attention and watch for them to come out.